Perched on a steep hillside in Nova Lima, Brazil, the old golden house emerges as a quiet conversation between architecture and the Atlantic forest. Designed by Mutabile Arquitetura, this 320-square-meter residence unfolds across multiple levels that follow the natural terrain, creating a seamless relationship between structure and landscape. Every cut, alignment, and opening is shaped by the site's topography, allowing the house to settle gently into the hillside while preserving the mature trees that define the property. The owners envisioned a retreat with uninterrupted views of the surrounding mountains, an ambition shaped not only by the landscape but also by local regulations that protect two-thirds of the existing vegetation. Working within a limited budget, the architects focused on strategic openings that maximize natural light, ventilation, and panoramas. Instead of costly exterior cladding, the volumes are defined through simple, expressive color blocks, creating an aesthetic identity rooted in clarity and restraint. From the moment one enters, the circulation is designed as a measured progression through the shifting terrain. A horizontal axis guides visitors toward the living room, where the space becomes a pivot for the vertical program. Here, the architects introduce a split-level strategy. Intimate spaces rise half a level above, while the social area sinks half a level below. This subtle adjustment expands the interior height, producing a double-height living area that captures natural light and amplifies the sense of openness. Environmental comfort plays a central role in the home's organization. South-facing bedrooms remain cool throughout the day, while the master suite and social spaces open to the east and north to welcome gentle daylight and sweeping views. On the western facade, painted concrete cobogó panels filter the intense afternoon sun, reducing heat gain while preserving privacy from the street. Above it all, a black metal butterfly roof extends deep protective eaves, reinforcing the home's intention to open fully toward the forested landscape. The old golden house stands as a thoughtful example of architecture shaped by place, climate, and ecological sensitivity. Through careful planning and bioclimatic strategies, the project demonstrates how contemporary living can harmonize with environmental constraints and natural beauty. It is a home that embraces its setting, allowing the surrounding mountains and the Atlantic forest to become an essential part of everyday life.